Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to make a main menu in Roblox Studio. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. Creating a main menu in Roblox Studio involves designing a user interface that provides players with options to start the game, access settings, view credits, and navigate to other sections of your games. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you make a basic main menu. First, create a new Screen GUI object. In the Explorer window, right-click Starter GUI and select Screen GUI to create a new Screen GUI object. This will be the main container for your main menu UI. And by the way, UI means user interface, okay? Now design the main menu. Inside the Screen GUI, add UI elements such as buttons, text labels, and images to create the main menu layout. Use existing assets to create your own graphics and animations. Position and size the UI elements. Arrange the UI elements to fit the main menu layout. Use anchors and offsets to ensure that the UI scales properly on different screen sizes. Implement button functionality. In a script or local script object, write the logic to handle button clicks. For example, you can use mouse button one click or activated events to detect when a button is clicked and perform the appropriate action, such as starting the game or opening settings. Next is to display the main menu. In a script object in a starter player scripts, you can create the main menu UI using the Screen GUI you made. And lastly, test the main menu. Test the main menu in Roblox Studio and ensure that the buttons work as expected. Customize the main menu based on your game's theme and aesthetics. You can add animations, background music, or other effects to make the main menu visually appealing and engaging for players. Consider adding transitions between different sections of the main menu to enhance the user experience. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!